Your thumb is hovering right over that buy button because you just found the perfect dress at a price that seems like a total steal. We have all been there. You are scrolling through your feed, and suddenly this brand called Glescia pops up with outfits that look like they belong on a high-end runway but cost less than a fancy lunch. It looks professional. The photos are crisp. The layouts are clean. But something in the back of your mind is whispering that it might be too good to be true. The cold hard facts about this specific shop paint a very interesting picture. Glescia is basically a ghost in the digital world right now. It only appeared on the map around the end of 2025. In the fast-paced world of online retail, being the brand new player is not always a badge of honor. It often means there is no history to lean on. Most stores that are set up to grab cash and run do not last more than a few months. When you search for real people who have actually worn these clothes, you hit a brick wall. There are almost zero authentic customer reviews anywhere. No photos of real people in their living room showing off the fabric quality. No angry rants about shipping delays. No praise for perfect fits. Just a massive echoing silence. That silence is the loudest warning sign you can find. Now, you might look at the bottom of their page and see those familiar little icons for major credit cards and secure payment processors. You see the lock icon in your browser bar. You think to yourself that the site is secure, so your money must be safe. That is a dangerous trap to fall into. Having a secure website just means the connection between your computer and their server is encrypted. It means a hacker might not steal your credit card mid-transit. It does not mean the person on the other end of the transaction is going to actually send you a dress. A scammer can buy a security certificate just as easily as a legitimate business owner. It is like having a high-tech deadbolt on the door of a house that is totally empty inside. The lack of traffic is another massive red flag that should give you pause. If a brand is truly as trendy and affordable as they claim, people should be talking. Influencers should be posting hauls. Discussion boards should be buzzing with questions about sizing. Instead, there is nothing. This lack of transparency is the hallmark of sites that pop up overnight and disappear just as quickly once they have collected enough orders. If you're feeling brave and you absolutely must have that one specific top, you need to play it smart. Do not just hand over your primary card details. Use a service like PayPal where you have at least some layer of buyer protection if the package never arrives or if you receive a polyester rag instead of a silk gown. Start with a tiny order. See if they actually ship it. See if the quality matches the photos. Do not drop hundreds of dollars on a full wardrobe refresh from a site that has not even celebrated its first birthday yet. The risk is simply too high right now. We are living in an era where digital storefronts are easier to build than ever before. That means the burden of proof is on the brand, not the buyer. Glescia has not proven anything yet. They are a question mark draped in pretty pictures. Until they build a real reputation with real humans, you should keep your wallet tightly closed and your skepticism dial turned all the way up. Protecting your hard-earned money is more important than a trendy bargain. If a deal feels like a miracle, it is usually a mirage. Stay sharp and wait for the reviews to actually roll in before you commit.